Okay, we are live. Hi everybody, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt for another episode of Jamaica Smiles. I'm right here at, just laughed because one of the employees at EyeGlass Factory just disappeared. Okay, so I'm right here at EyeGlass Factory in Liguanea Lane Plaza. I'm going to introduce you to the sales representative who I was working with. And I want you to help me to do something. I need to change. Is my glasses look? I need to change it. And EyeGlass Factory is apparently one of the big eyeglass suppliers in Jamaica. So why not come here and, you understand, change my eyeglass? So I want to introduce you to Lamoy Vincent. Tell me about yourself, Lamoy.
I'm a nice young man.
You're a nice young man.
I went to Kingston College, the best high school or secondary school in Jamaica. So
yes.
That's something to be proud of. From the proud community of Standpipe that's up the road across from the US Embassy, which everybody loves to go to. So,
yes.
You know, and I'm here at EyeGlass Factory doing what we love to do, which is to provide persons with eyeglasses.
Yes.
Also a graduate of the University of Technology, Jamaica.
What did you study?
Dietetics and nutrition.
Nice. Alright, so Lamoy outlined or took out some glasses for me to try, or frames I should say. I want you guys to help me to choose a frame. Alright, so let me try the red one first, Lamoy. And you're going to do me a favor, you're going to hold the camera for me.